Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, if installed, service cover, memory modules, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, USB board, hard disk drive assembly, if installed, and system board. Removal: disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the system board. Lift the fan off of the system board and remove. Replacement: place the fan into position on the system board. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the system board. Connect the fan cable into its connector on the system board.